What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, right about now, my viewers and subscribers, me there for talk about this very sad incident, you know, my people, that occurred in Jamaica. About this 71-year-old man who them say dead like a dog at the Sangster International Airport in Montego, Jamaica, my people. Pan the floor. My people, me I tell you the truth, me feel it. You know what more make me feel it is when me see a lady make a post and like she da say, this was the last time, you know what I mean? So basically when him left Jamaica out of him yard, she video him and the taxi man pick him up and the taxi man lift him suitcase. You understand? And she said this is the last time. Like the taxi man never know say the last time I'm going to bring him to the airport because he always be the driver to bring him to the airport. This man, him never look like no. Look, you know some man who are 70 maybe sickly and look all he can move. He was a strong 71-year-old man. But basically, unfortunately, my people, something occurred and he managed to drop down at the airport. And to tell you the truth, him gone, him dead. All because of negligence, my people. And all because of one heap of failure with people. I got talk about $400 for private ambulance before them can move him. My people, really and truly, I feel it to my heart because it could have been me, it could have been my daddy, it could have been my brother, it could have been anyone of my family, them and them say the same thing too. You understand? So I feel it and a straight attack for that system there. Straight attack for everyone who could have helped get this man wherever I need to go to the hospital or whoever I need to go to. You understand? Straight attack for the ambulance people if them can't move because money no pay or what. Because this man could have afford it and them family my people. So what the problem there? When my friend just fling the money, sir, money after book in advance. What happened? Why them could have just, what happened? What the problem? Who's to be blamed? A straight attack, man. My people, me say, me feel it to my heart. Jaja sees and Jaja knows. But more read this article, my viewers and subscribers, so you can get a brief understanding of the full thing. You understand? Because I know a lot of people, them not hear the full story or hear the full thing what go on. So let me just read it so you can understand why I feel it to my heart. He died like a dog on the airport floor. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The family of a 71-year-old man who passed away last Wednesday after falling and hitting his head at Sangster International Airport in Montego, St. James, is voicing frustration with how the authorities managed the tragic incident, even as the investigation is ongoing. So, my people, I just want to understand, today I do this video, is Monday, September the 9th, 2024. You understand? So, last Wednesday, you know, from this day, is when this happened. Leroy, a Westmoreland native who lived in Orlando, Florida, had visited the island for the funeral of a relative and was in the process of checking in for his return flight when he died. An alleged witness, Celia Foster, recounted the unfolding tragedy in a video that has been widely circulated. She said that she was checking in to board the same JetBlue flight Smith was booked on when she saw him fall to the ground. Foster said she rushed to his assistant and was quickly joined by a JetBlue staffer. She recalled that an airport official later came to the scene, but was seemingly more interested to find out who would pay the US $400 to transport Smith to a hospital by private ambulance instead of rendering immediate assistance as he bled from a wound to the head. It took about 20 minutes to half an hour before a lone nurse came, she said, who said she was checking his oxygen level. In the meantime, I took out his phone and was searching the phone to see if I could find a number to call a relative, said Foster. She said that while dialing a number found in Smith's phone, they were joined by an apparent airport worker wearing a vest. The man, she said, was telling us to tell the person on the phone that the single ambulance at the Cornwall Regional Hospital is not available and that to call a private ambulance. The person will have to approve the payment of US $400. By then, Foster said that more than half an hour had elapsed and it was clear that Smith was struggling to breathe. She said that she offered to pay for a taxi to take Smith to the hospital, but her offer was rejected by the airport official who cited protocol. In what Foster described as one of the most painful experiences of her life, she said she watched helplessly as Smith took his last breath. I saw the man gap. I never see somebody gap or what they call it catch breath. In my entire life, the man was gapping. The man stayed right there on the floor and died. The man died on the floor, said Foster, who broke down in tears at the recollection. My God, because people go to talk about getting approval to call an ambulance. Look how many people travel in the airport daily and we don't have nothing in place for things like this. This could happen to anybody. It could happen to me, she added. When contacted on Friday, hotel spokesperson Sharon Hislop-Holt said she was aware of the video and asked the news to call her again after midday to discuss the incident. However, instead of offering an opportunity to ask questions, she issued a news release. She said that when staff were alerted to a passenger in medical distress, the airport's emergency response protocols were immediately activated, with on-site medical personnel arriving within minutes to provide care. During this time, an ambulance was also called to the scene. Despite the best efforts of our on-site medical team, we regret to inform that the passenger sadly passed away, the statement read in part. Sangster International Airport maintains a dedicated private healthcare provider, employing trained and certified medical practitioners stationed on site to ensure rapid response to medical emergencies. This arrangement allows us to provide immediate professional medical assistance to passengers and staff. Our contracted healthcare provider also supplies ambulance services to the airport, the statement added. However, one of Smith's relatives has dismissed his Hislop-Holt statement, saying that having viewed Foster's video and listened to the sequence of events she outlined, he believes she accurately captured the incident. It's a disgrace that they allowed him to die like a dog on the airport floor because no one was there to approve US $400 for a private ambulance, said the relative who did not want to be identified. Big Cornwall Regional Hospital only have one ambulance and the airport is not equipped to handle emergencies. So this is what Jamaica gone to, he said. Service at the Cornwall Regional Hospital have significantly scaled down following and noxious fumes issued in 2018. Since then, despite billions of dollars spent on rehabilitation, normalcy has not returned to this institution, as staff and patients struggle under atrocious conditions, including seriously ill patients sleeping on chairs. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my viewers and subscribers. There's more to this article, my people, but the main part of I wanted to hear, I read it, my people. And all I can say is, my viewers and subscribers, the system is wicked in our country called Jamaica. Because if this lady who said she responds to airport, my people, and after a video circulate which wish somebody was there trying to help this man and offering help, and even half of a pay for your private car to take him to the hospital, and they don't allow this to happen and the man dead, my people, on a real level. Then she go talk about them have ambulance on site and them have doctors and all of that. So where were they when this man was dying on the floor, which them say for over 30 minutes he was there? You see how people wicked? You see how the system is whacked and wicked? Honestly, my people, the suing can't bring back this man's life, because him dead. But the airport authorities, government of Jamaica, whoever responsible for this thing, them need to pay for all of this man funeral arrangements, and the family need to be paid millions of dollars. It can't bring back him life, but the truth is reality. It could have happened to me, it could have happened to anybody. A wickedness. It's a shame for no say we have a big airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. We have two major main airports, Montego Bay and Kingston. Ian Fleming want small something up there, so right? And for tell you the truth, my people, there are thousands of people being diverting back and forth through this airport on a daily basis. So by right, me no want nobody come right now say because there were no ambulance there. So when she go make the statement and talk about them have best medical practitioner and ambulance pan where were it when the man was dying? Government of Jamaica, Minister of Health, on the need for have an ambulance station at the airport, doctor station there. In a COVID when I got through, you see everybody did it because of what money we're being making off of COVID. You understand? Money I make because what? You have to do these type of tests and all of this kind of money. I make a fight while people are dead same way, you know. But now COVID now keep. Where are the doctors? This man could have lived. People, he could have lived. You get what me I say? If him did there for over 30 minutes of breathe after blood run through him head, the man could have lived. Eh? And it just sad for know. Me know a whole heap of staff that they have care. Why? What? Yo, people, me rather them beat me or them sue me too for try saving life and rush him to the hospital. Like truth, me I go put him in my car. You understand? Look on it, thousands of car done there. Eh? So if an ambulance and you have it, who are going to cover the $400? What type of wickedness this? What kind of system this? Nobody not tell me nothing. This person who made this video not tell no lie. Them not tell no lie. It's wickedness. The government, you need to be accountable for this. And me know a lot of times, you wait till people dead. Something occurred before you start implement structures and put in this. You wait. It was there before, you know. But somebody have to be a victim before the can say, all right, now we're going to get an ambulance. For sure, so now work. People, government, they are there. You understand? So they should have seen these things before it happen. We don't have to wait till things happen to people for government fix things and make things work. You understand? Somebody's life have to pay the price. This man could have lived. It's wickedness, yo. I feel it to my heart. A straight attack, pa uno. Uno too wicked, I don't care what nobody wants to say, no, bro. A wickedness. The man could have lived. You see me? The man could have lived. Eh? Look, the man family, everybody. Eh? Send off the man feels so good, man. Over, if you go back over Ireland, Florida, then now. Eh? Back to him life. And dead. The man dead. The man finish him vacation, go bury him relative, my people. And him dead, so, on airport floor. No, sir, wickedness, bro. A wickedness. Me no feel, yo, people, me feel it. A wickedness. The system, bro, is too much corruption. Too much corruption, too much billions and millions are spent on other things. Get ambulance, Jamaica big. Every ambulance should have like 5 ambulances. Every hospital should have like 5 ambulances in Jamaica. Every major hospital. Airport, you have like 2, 3 done there. And wait. The country making millions of dollars for not have these things. When I got some little small little country, my people, when even have structure like Jamaica, you can't see ambulance station there and wait. You know what I mean? Come on, man. It is foolishness, and if I want ambulance, as what this article said, them have a Cornwall Regional Hospital. We tell us that the system is garbage. What them I do? Ministers, what not do? Minister of Health, what not do? Eh? I want to talk about government is working and government is doing this. Eh? Mark Golden, I soon make a post, you know, on site over the PNP site. And I'm saying this, nobody make this post because you want to go against JLP and Joel's administration. Make this post from your heart, brother. You understand? To be there for the people, and if you are going to get your chance to come in power, and we don't want to come and make posts because we not go against this man and that man, because we not try to put food yourself out there like we not going to do better. You understand? Because when the people need a change, they need better representation. We don't want to pretty marks and pretty likes, and when things happen, we not going to run forward, man. A wickedness. My people, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to all the family and friends of Mr. Leroy Smith. And may his soul rest in peace. It is just wickedness. You understand? My deepest condolences to the whole family, his friends. Everybody will be a part of this man's life. You understand? Me and mourn, the whole attacking boss family and mourn. It is sad, my people. You understand? It is sad and it's a failure. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Big up on yourself, more love, more respect, and please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official. It's sad, my people, and a straight wickedness. Peace out, blessings. Be good, be great, and be safe. Attack! Attack! Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Wickedness! Jaja! Peace out.